Have you ever imagined waking up beside a crystal-clear mountain lake, stepping outside with a hot cup of coffee in your hand, and watching the sunrise paint the sky with shades of gold and orange? No hotel reservations to worry about. No rushing to catch flights. No strict schedules. Just complete freedom, endless adventure, and the comfort of having your home wherever the road takes you. For many travelers, that dream lifestyle feels out of reach. But every once in a while, a campervan comes along that completely changes what's possible. A vehicle that combines luxury, comfort, practicality, and adventure into one incredible package. Today, we're taking a closer look at a campervan that has been getting attention for all the right reasons. This is the Odyssey, and by the end of this video, you might find yourself wondering whether this could actually be the best campervan ever built. From the very first glance, the Odyssey makes a strong impression. This isn't a campervan that blends into the background. Its modern design immediately catches your attention with sleek lines, premium styling, and a confident presence that suggests it's ready for both everyday travel and extraordinary adventures. Whether it's parked beside a beach, deep in the mountains, or cruising down a scenic highway, the Odyssey looks right at home. One of the first things you'll notice is how intelligently the exterior has been designed. Large panoramic windows not only enhance the overall appearance, but also flood the interior with natural light. These windows create a stronger connection with the world outside, allowing travelers to enjoy breathtaking views from the comfort of their living space. Imagine parking beside a peaceful lake and enjoying the scenery without ever leaving your seat. That's exactly the kind of experience this campervan is designed to provide. As you move around the exterior, you'll discover thoughtful features that make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. Integrated storage compartments provide plenty of room for outdoor equipment, camping gear, bicycles, and travel essentials. Everything has its place, helping keep the living area organized and clutter-free. A power awning extends effortlessly to create a comfortable outdoor lounge area. In just a few moments, you can transform any campsite into a relaxing space where you can enjoy meals, socialize with friends, or simply sit back and appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. But as impressive as the exterior may be, the real surprise begins when you step inside. The moment you enter the Odyssey, it's immediately clear that this isn't an ordinary camper van. The interior feels remarkably spacious, welcoming, and refined. Every detail appears carefully planned to maximize comfort while making efficient use of available space. Bright finishes, premium materials, and smart design choices work together to create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The main living area serves as the heart of the campervan. Comfortable seating invites you to relax after a long day of exploring. Swiveling captain's chairs integrate seamlessly with the lounge area, creating a social space where family and friends can gather together. Whether you're enjoying breakfast before a day of adventure or winding down in the evening, this area quickly becomes a favorite place to spend time. The dining table is both practical and versatile. It provides plenty of space for meals, remote work, planning travel routes, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee while taking in the view outside. In today's world, more people than ever are combining travel with remote work, and the Odyssey seems perfectly suited for that lifestyle. Imagine answering emails while overlooking a mountain valley or attending a video meeting with the ocean in the background. That's the kind of freedom many travelers dream about. Moving into the kitchen area, it's clear that functionality has been given serious attention. Despite the compact footprint, the kitchen offers everything needed for life on the road. The countertop space is generous enough for meal preparation, while the cooking area allows you to create anything from a quick breakfast to a full dinner after a long day of exploring. The sink is conveniently positioned, and smart storage solutions ensure that utensils, cookware, and supplies remain organized and easily accessible. A spacious refrigerator provides ample room for food and beverages, making longer journeys more practical and reducing the need for frequent grocery stops. For travelers who enjoy cooking, this kitchen transforms every destination into a potential dining experience. Whether you're preparing dinner beside a forest, a beach, or a mountain range, every meal becomes part of the adventure. As impressive as the living and kitchen areas are, comfort remains one of the most important aspects of any campervan, and that's where the Odyssey truly begins to shine. After all, adventure is exciting, but at the end of the day, everyone wants a comfortable place to relax and recharge. The sleeping area has been designed with exactly that goal in mind. The bed appears spacious, inviting, and comfortable enough for restful nights after long days on the road. Large windows surrounding the sleeping space allow natural light to fill the room during the day while providing beautiful views in the morning and evening. Imagine lying in bed beneath a sky full of stars or waking up to the sight of mountains just outside your window. Experiences like these are what make campervan travel so special. Storage throughout the bedroom area has been cleverly integrated to maximize practicality without sacrificing comfort. Overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, and dedicated storage spaces provide room for clothing, personal belongings, and travel essentials. This thoughtful approach helps maintain a clean and organized environment, even during extended trips. Another area where many campervans struggle is the bathroom. Space limitations often force manufacturers to make compromises, but the Odyssey manages to create a surprisingly functional and comfortable bathroom experience. The layout feels practical and efficient, with a dedicated shower area, modern sink, and toilet arrangement that makes daily routines far more convenient. Having a private bathroom significantly enhances the overall travel experience, especially for those planning longer adventures or full-time van life. Technology also plays a major role in what makes the Odyssey stand out. Modern travelers expect more than just basic transportation, and this campervan appears ready to meet those expectations. Advanced lighting systems create a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout the interior. Efficient climate control helps maintain comfort in different weather conditions, while integrated power systems support modern lifestyles by keeping devices charged and ready to use. Whether you're editing travel videos, streaming entertainment, working remotely, or staying connected with family and friends, the Odyssey provides the infrastructure needed for life on the road. It's a campervan designed not just for occasional vacations, but for genuine everyday living. Perhaps one of the most impressive qualities of the Odyssey is its versatility. Some campervans are clearly designed for weekend getaways. Others focus on long-term travel. The Odyssey seems capable of handling both with ease. It feels equally suited for spontaneous road trips, cross-country adventures, national park exploration, remote work travel, and extended journeys lasting weeks or even months. That versatility is part of what makes this campervan so appealing. It adapts to different lifestyles and travel goals without feeling limited to a specific type of user. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple seeking adventure, or someone pursuing a more flexible lifestyle, the Odyssey offers a compelling solution. When compared to many competitors on the market, what truly separates the Odyssey is balance. Some campervans prioritize luxury but sacrifice practicality. Others focus heavily on utility while feeling basic and uninspiring. The Odyssey manages to combine premium comfort, intelligent design, modern technology, and real-world functionality into one cohesive package. That balance is difficult to achieve, which is why it stands out so strongly. So now we'd love to hear your thoughts. If you had the opportunity to take the Odyssey anywhere in the world tomorrow, where would your first destination be? Would you choose the mountains, the coastline, the desert, or perhaps an epic cross-country adventure? Let us know in the comments below because we'd genuinely love to hear about your dream road trip. At the end of the day, determining whether the Odyssey is the best campervan ever built depends on what matters most to you. But if you're looking for a campervan that combines luxury, comfort, practicality, technology, and the freedom to explore without limits, then the Odyssey certainly makes an incredibly strong case. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a gateway to unforgettable experiences, spontaneous adventures, and a lifestyle built around freedom and discovery. If you enjoyed this tour of the Odyssey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest campervan, RV, and motorhome reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next adventure.